I'm Justin Roberts, Critical Care Consultant at East Lancashire Hospitals. As part of our Fluid Stewardship education films, we're going to look at routine maintenance fluids. Routine maintenance is the administration of fluid and electrolytes to deliver the basic needs of those patients who are unable to drink. Remember to consider if a person can absorb fluids enterally. If they can, let them drink. Only give intravenous fluids to a person whose needs cannot be met enterally. Switch to oral as soon as possible. The BlipIt Meds app will help you determine the fluids a patient requires and what volume they need. Firstly, you must know the person's weight. This is because the volume of maintenance fluid is tailored to the individual patient's size. People need 25 to 30 mils of water per kilogram each day, so you wouldn't give a 6-foot rugby player the same volume of fluid as a little old lady. If they're obese, go to a maximum of 100 mils an hour of maintenance fluid, or 2.4 litres in a day. And every day, adults are going to need around 1 mmol per kilogram of potassium, sodium and chloride, and 50 to 110 grams of glucose to limit starvation ketosis. Be mindful that this amount of glucose does not meet the person's nutritional requirements. You should consider giving maintenance fluids during the daytime to promote sleep and well-being. And remember, people may need smaller volumes if they're old or frail, if they have renal impairment or cardiac failure, or if they are malnourished. And as a final consideration, check if the patient is receiving fluid from other sources, as this volume will need subtracting from the total maintenance requirements. For example, a patient on amoxicillin, metronidazole and gentamicin will receive 700 ml of water and 106 millimoles of sodium. So that 700 ml needs subtracting from the volume needed. If you're not using the BlipIt Meds app, round your calculated values to the nearest 100 ml, with most people manageable with an appropriate volume from a bag of Maintenalite. We've chosen Maintenalite as it provides the closest mix of electrolytes and glucose to meet the NICE clinical guidance, and it's an easy name to prescribe and get right. Easier to remember than the alternative of sodium chloride 0.18% in glucose 4% with potassium chloride 0.15%. Now, thank you for watching and go and be good fluid stewards.